In this video, let's see how we can interact with objects inside of Unity. So to do this, we would need to use another script like the scripts that we used previously. So I have a script here called Interact Objects, and if you open it up, you should see this particular script. You can open it up, save it as a note, or open it as a notepad, and you should be able to see this script. So we're going to use this script in order to interact with objects inside of Unity. I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a game object. I'm going to create a cube here. So I'm going to move it somewhere that I can see closer to this. So that's my cube. What I want to do is I want to be able to grab this and move this cube around. So to do that, I'm going to add a script here. I'm going to add say script, new script, and I'm going to call it pickup. And remember, like what we did previously, you need to make sure that that's what it's going to say inside. Whatever name that you give it, it's going to say that. And where you save it is here. It's going to get saved here. And double click it, open it up, and you can copy this entire thing. So Control A, Control C to copy what we have from our notepad, Control A to select whatever we have in this script, Control V to paste it, and that's it. Make sure that this matches up with the name that you gave, so this is fine. I'm gonna save it and close it off. That's it. And now we have our script applied. Let's go back and select the cube here, and so now it's saying I don't have anything associated with this, so let's select this. Script is pickup. Well, let's bring this script in here. So let's just bring this script here. That's this. The reason is we didn't capitalize this P. There you go. Alright, so that's that. And let's just drag and drop it here again. Oop. There you go. Now it's working. So make sure that this name exactly matches up with the script that you added. Now when you open it up, make sure that even the capitalization affects the way it behaves. So when you have the script here, you need to add the item and the parent. So I previously added a guide, so I'm just gonna delete it and just show you how it is done. So in your camera, what you need to do is you need to right click and create empty, create something empty, because we need to select this character, and this game object I'm just gonna make it or rename it as guide. And these are the two things that's gonna be associated with the script. So I'm gonna go back here, this is script. I'm gonna grab the cube and put it, drag and drop it to this where it says item, and I'm gonna drag and drop the guide to where it says parent. So that's that. And now let's see if it works. Oh, and just one more thing, I need to add a rigid body so that this behaves as a rigid body in this game. So let's add a component called rigid body. There you go, and that's it. You don't have to change any of these, and I think that's it. So let's see. I'm gonna go here and go closer. So I should be able to grab it, but it doesn't allow me to. The reason is we need to have the guide just a little bit in front of our camera, because right now the guide is exactly on our camera, so we need to add the guide just a little bit in front. So I'm going to change the Z to 2.5 just so that it's a little bit in front of our camera. So let's see how that works. I'm going to go back. Alright, now let's see. I press escape so that my mouse works, and I can move this. I clicked and grabbed it, and I can move it somewhere else, like here, and just drop it down. There you go. And that's how you interact with objects. Like using this, you can like simulate an environment, like let's say a shop, a retail environment where you can grab stuff from the shelf and put it in a cart, or even like you can add furniture and put a script in there, and your client could move those pieces of furniture around in the space. So that's how you can add a script that can be interactable.